disadvantages as well. So your data is available, right? So and anybody can tap, or anybody can jam your services, and the cost is on the higher side, right? So of course, in order to lay the infrastructure for wireless communication, we have to pay more, right? So finally, as opposed to wired communication, wireless communication is influenced by physical obstructions, climate conditions. So of course, as we are using free space, so the weather is changing, right? And the climate can have its effect, right? So there can be a lot of interferences, a lot of attenuations, a lot of noise that we have to face, and we have to retrieve the data, actual data, from the noisy data that is received on the receiver side.